National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 108 in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Cherokee, Choctaw, Carroll, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, Flore, McIntosh, Muskogee, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Pittsburg, Pushmataha, Sequoyah, and Wagoner. Tornadoes that hail up to tennis ball size and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible and close to the wash area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the east at 35 miles an hour. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the wash area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
The current time is 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.